Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another very tasty and interesting recipe for our easy breakfast recipes. We are going to make Methi Adai Dosa. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of Channa Dal and 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal. I will wash it. Also add 4 dry red chillis and soak everything together overnight. Rice and dal has soaked well overnight. Now we will drain it out and grind it into a fine batter, just as we grind for dosa. See, we have ground it into a fine batter, just as we grind for dosa. Now take this out into a bowl. Just adding another half cup of water to it. Can add water to adjust the consistency. Add required salt, some Hing, that is asafoetida powder to it. It a good mix and keep the batter aside for 1 hour. Meanwhile, I have finely chopped 1 onion and a few coriander leaves, and these are the methi leaves which I will be using for this Adai Dosa. Wash and clean it very well, then we will just chop it fine. Meanwhile, we will make a simple coconut chutney. Half a cup of grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind, 2 green chillies and a small piece of ginger peeled. I am adding 1 tablespoon of this roasted gram or chutney dal, and we will grind it to a chutney with the addition of a little water. Our coconut chutney is ground and ready. We are just transferring it into our bowl. Take a simple tadka for our chutney. I have heated a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, some hing, and a few curry leaves. Pour this tadka onto your coconut chutney. Coconut chutney is ready. It is 1 hour now. The batter has rested. Now we can add our other ingredients to the batter. Our chopped methi leaves, chopped onion. This is 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. This is optional. If you want to add, otherwise you can omit it also, no issues. Now mix the batter well together with all the ingredients. You can add a little more water to this to make it the consistency of a dosa batter, regular dosa batter. See, this is fine. Add a few drops of ghee to a tawa. You can use ghee or your regular cooking oil. Sesame oil is also good. Just smear it all around. Next, take a little of this batter and gently spread it around as you would for a regular dosa. Just pour a little bit of ghee all around. When it is well done on the underside, see, the edges have also become nice and crisp. Now carefully flip it over. Again, just about half a teaspoon around the dosa. Cook it on a medium flame. Healthy methi adai dosa ready for you. More I'll show you. Cook it on the other side also. Now, this one is also perfectly done, ready to be served. We can now serve our methi adai dosas along with this coconut chutney. So some jaggery, which is a good combination for this. If you want it a little more spicy, you can add 1 or 2 more red chillies, soak it and grind, or chop some finely chopped green chillies to it, depending on your individual taste. See, the advantage is this batter need not be fermented for many hours like we will do for a regular dosa. So this you grind it, just leave it aside for 1 hour and then it's ready to be used for your Vendyakirai, that is methi leaves adai dosa, a very healthy option. And don't worry, you will not feel the bitterness of the methi leaves at all. You will only enjoy the wholesome goodness. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.